Okay, quick video here. 5th gen Ram with electronic tailgate, and when you press it, it does not want to open. So a lot of people will have this issue where they'll have to press inward on the tailgate, unlock, and then it comes down. So we're going to try some lubrication on the latches. Apparently a lot of people have success with that, so let's try it. You guys saw the way mine was. Let's see what happens. We're gonna go ahead, spray these latches down nicely. You guys can use the lubricant of your choice. I'm using some liquid wrench garage door lube. So I like to use lighter stuff just because it has a tendency to not cake, but let's see if that makes any difference. Whoo, look at that. Hey, way better. So quick little video for you guys. Definitely a huge tip. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, found it helpful. Also subscribe. I got lots of other helpful videos on 5th gens, 4th gens, 2nd gen Rams, all kinds of Rams and Mopar vehicles. So check out the other videos on the channel. See you guys in the next one.